Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We got some exciting news today. Today, we just got a new shop for the new channel, so we can convert it into like a workshop, little work area for the channel, and a place to kind of store some bikes and work on them.
What have you been using?
Here's what we have been using. This is our basement, very small. Oh, this is our shop right now. This is what we have been using to work on bikes. As you can see, it's carpeted, and we've got muddy, greasy bike parts, and this is just not a good place for me to be doing these kinds of things. So what we're gonna do is be taking all of this stuff, and we're gonna be coming into the new Ewart bike shop right here. So let's take you inside. So first off, it's got two great double doors here. But all of this stuff is gonna be removed and basically cleaned out. Woo!
The cat does not like the trailer. I hope he covers the mud pit, so no one walks in it anymore. Where are you right now?
So stoked right now.
Who hooked you up?
My boy Kirby, my neighbor. Thanks a lot, Kirby. Appreciate it.
He's a man.
He's a man. All right, here's a little midday update here. Basically got all the doors, revealed this nice cabin. I'm gonna move this over and then keep moving all the stuff. So let's go. Here's an update on the place. Last night, we got everything cleaned out. We got all of the junk, all the trash, cleaned it out. We got most of it swept. I need to hit it with the blower. But this is kind of what we're working with. So, today we're going to be working on getting all the spider webs out and then taking a look and see with the pressure washer and getting this sprayed out. And then go from there.
What do you got here, Travis?
We got that dang Walmart bike. Forgot to do this in the last video. Are you ready?
Nice one.
Walmart bike. See you later.
Safety first, people.